Hey guys, Alex here, the Cadillac Kid, Newroads Cadillac, Newmarket, Ontario. You're watching this video because you just got the email from me. $9.95 oil change. Is it true? Yes it is. It's not a gimmick, it's not a scam. You get a $9 oil change here at Newroads, compliment of the Newroads group and compliments of me. Right? This is my way of saying thank you for watching my videos and subscribing to my newsletter. Now, just to let you know, I can only give out 100 of these. Okay, that's it, 100. And last time I checked, there's 1,800 people on my newsletter. So the first 100 people to respond to this email, right, we'll have that locked down, and then we'll go ahead and set that up for you. So that's it, $9 oil change, send me an email, first 100, let's make it happen. Alex, the Cadillac Kid, Newroads GM, Newmarket, Ontario.